What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Wall Street PR. In today's video, I'm going over Twitter. I'm sure you guys have heard of, used Twitter, or aware of Twitter, at least in some sort of capacity. It is the social media giant where you can freely type and speak your own thoughts. I really don't think I need to go over that, but just in case, that's the spiel of it. You can see their ticker symbol is TWTR, currently trading at $36.75, had the all-time high over here on February 25th, roughly, of $80.75. You can see since that high, they pulled back sharply down to a low of $49.24 before regaining the 70s per share, pulling back sharply alongside the whole market. This whole move right here is basically just following the overall broader markets. Nothing really in particular to do with Twitter. This move back to the upside right here does have something to do with Twitter. That's when Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, said he was purchasing Twitter. They shot up from a price of about $31 all the way up to about $55. Then this pullback right here is when Elon Musk backed out of the Twitter deal, and then another dip down to that 32 level of support. A little bounce off of it, which is putting them at the current price of $36.75 per share. If you take a look over here, you can see the first most important thing regarding Twitter stock is the fact that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, tons of people are kind of fanboys of him. They love what he's doing. He's a very innovative, creative guy who has been extremely successful. You can see the title of this article is Twitter Sues Musk After He Tries Backing Out a $44 billion deal. He agreed to buy Twitter in April. Twitter is now taking him to court because he's kind of damaging their overall company's value by purchasing them for $44 billion, then backing out. Then the rest of the market, all these other potential buyers, know that they kind of have to settle for less because they already are looking to sell. If you take a look down here, you can see they're going to have a prolonged legal battle over the fate of the social media service. Twitter does believe that they are going to win this lawsuit. Obviously, there's two different sides and stances here as well. I'm not really going to get too into that. You can take a look over here. You can see Elon Musk has turned Twitter into dead money. That's kind of what I was saying. The fact that he came out and said, oh, I'm going to buy them, and then backs out, kind of makes Twitter look bad, and I think it does kind of take a hit in terms of their overall value. Obviously, nothing changes fundamentally, but they already kind of were a struggling company. And when Elon Musk, the guy who said he could fix things, comes in, says he's going to buy them, then doesn't, it just kind of looks bad for Twitter. Over here as well, you can see Twitter made the case for why it's better off without Elon Musk. This is kind of just damage control that obviously they're going to say, oh, we don't need Elon Musk, we're going to change things ourselves. But I do think Elon Musk would make some great strides in terms of helping that overall company. You can see down here, this article will be listed down below, but Musk has already damaged Twitter. He has kind of talked a little bit of trash on them, saying how there's too many bots, there's no free speech and that sort of thing. He was going to try to vow to fix both of those big issues, which I think would be beneficial for Twitter and its community. But obviously, if it's off the table, that sort of thing is off the table as well. Then lastly, Twitter says it can beat Elon Musk's claims in 4 trial days. They want a speedy trial. They want to get this done with quick. They're probably going to try to sue him for a ton of money because he is one of the most wealthy people in the entire world, and they are kind of upset that he backed out of this deal. And I do think he probably violated some sort of legal agreement by saying and agreeing to buy the company and then kind of backing out. I'm sure there's going to be some sort of consequence there. But regardless, I don't think this is good for Twitter. Twitter still is, I think, a decent overall company, but with Elon Musk backing out, that obviously doesn't help them. If anything, I think it helps Tesla, because Tesla shareholders know that Elon Musk's main focus now, if it wasn't already, is going to be purely on Tesla, and all his time and commitment is going to be devoted back to Tesla. So that's why people like it there. But with that said, guys, I think Twitter, could pull back a little bit more if this entire market does continue to retreat. I think the low point for Twitter stock could be about $28. If you are a believer and a long-term buyer, that's where I would be buying. But personally, guys, when it's chopping around in this range that's seen as of late, I'm not really a buyer right here. Too much volatility, not a great long-term outlook or future. So personally, I think there's some better companies you can invest in the big tech industry for the future. But with that said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you if you have subscribed to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one.